Nice. Yeah, good job. It's coming straight up.
Yep, he's coming up. He's coming up on your side. End of the boat. That's where he's at.
Keep right there is perfect. Good job.
Right here. Man, really doesn't want to come up.
Oh, that's a beauty. Wait, wait, wait. Don't ever get the tail. You gotta get the head.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's a 20-pounder for sure. Hold on, wait, wait, wait.
He's not ready. He's taking line.
Hold on, okay? Good job. You want me to take over?
No, I'm bringing it.
Okay. Awesome. Yeah, it gets exhausting after a little bit. Okay. Hold on.
Hey guys.
Wait, hold.
Take it. Take it.
Yep. Sorry. I didn't mean
You want to bring him in? It's your fish. Go ahead. I don't need a break anyway.
to turn that boat off.
We tag team this fish. I'm still recording. I tired him out for you. Fish I hooked with the Arbla single hook jig that Kevin made.
Holy shit. That's a beautiful one right there. Good God.
So I actually cooked two decent hogs.
Yep.
Wow. And a keeper. Oh, wow.
In the mouth.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Love this, people. Look, look, look. Say hello. All right.
All right.
Cool.
One more.
Thank you.